And now we shall discuss about the finding of sigma and pi bonds in the organic compounds and mentioning their numbers. Finding hybridization, sigma and pi bonds and their numbers. We shall proceed with examples. If you take alkanes, it has got 4 sigma bonds. If you take sp hybridization, example alkanes. Here carbon is associated with the carbon is associated with 2 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. With this we can identify the hybridization of carbon atoms which is taking part in the organic compounds. If you take sp2 hybridization, here sigma bonds are 3 and the pi bond is 1. Totally 4 bonds in every carbon atom. If you take sp3 hybridization, sigma bonds are 4, pi bonds are nil. Example, carbon, so if you label these carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So on the first carbon the number of sigma bonds are 2 and pi bonds are 2, therefore sp2 hybridization. On second carbon same, 2 sigma and 2 pi, therefore sp2 hybridization. On third and fourth carbons the pi bonds are 2 and the sigma bonds are 2, therefore it is sp hybridization. So on fifth carbon atom 4 sigma bonds, therefore sp3 hybridization. On sixth carbon atom there are 4 sigma bonds, therefore it is sp3 hybridization. Now, so I would like to take an example here as a question or a problem. The ratio of sigma and pi bonds in benzene. So here the benzene has got the formula of benzene is C6H6, its molecular formula. Its structural formula is, so this is the structural formula. This is the structural formula. The structural formula. If you count the number of sigma bonds, 6 hydrogen atoms, 6 sigma bonds connected to carbon, and the interlinked sigma bonds are 6. Therefore, this is, you see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. So the sigma bonds are 12 and the pi bonds are 1, 2, 3 only. Therefore, the ratio is 4:1. This is the calculation of sigma and pi bonds on the basis of concept of hybridization. Here there are 6 carbon atoms in benzene ring, and therefore every carbon atom is attached by 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. 3 sigma and 1 pi bond. Therefore, all the 6 carbon atoms in benzene ring undergoes sp2 hybridization. Therefore, the molecule of benzene is triangular planar. The shape of the molecule is planar. Thank you.